All right, so Google Forms does not support you being able to underline when you go ahead and write into it. So there is a way to do it. It's if you really need to do it for a quiz or anything you want to do. But it's going to involve going and actually using Google Draw to create a picture and then loading the picture into the question like I did here. So first thing you do is go to Google Draw and you're going to do a new Google Drawing. And what you're going to find is you get a big sheet of paper. So if you click on the text box that's right here, you can open the text box and then you can write test, test, test. You can go as long as you want, as much writing as you want. Go to town. Then when you're done, I'm going to shrink this box down because I'm going to actually need to shrink my paper down so my picture's not going to be too wide. So I'm going to shrink that down and then I'm going to come over here, click on the edge of my paper, drag it smaller. And now that pops up there. Now I can actually move this more to in the center of my paper. I can drag this in a little bit. This is just so that we can get it small enough so that when we put the picture in there, it doesn't kind of get too big for the text box. So there's our test. And then now all you can do, you can actually underline. You can change the color. You can underline whatever you want to do. And now we have this. Now I'm going to label this drawing because we're going to need to be able to find it. So this could be, if you know this is like question 1, I would say question 1. And then go ahead. Now once that's done, you're going to come over here to File. You're going to download as a JPEG image. Now notice it came over here. It downloaded into here as my JPEG image. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go back into my form. I will actually I'm going to add another question. Then over here where it says question, I'm going to actually add this image. I'll choose the image wherever I downloaded it. And I know mine went into downloads. And then I know it's, I think I said question 1. There it is, right there, question 1. Click on it. And all of a sudden now I have what I was trying to underline and highlight, and I can actually put my directions on top. So this could be 2, and then put the directions in, whatever you want the directions to be. So once you've got that done, you push enter. Now you have it in there, and you can go ahead and make this question whatever you want it to be.